Hi, in this video, we'll be looking at how to test an endpoint for a BOLA vulnerability using traces. For that, we'll be choosing an application called Crappy Web. This application already has few API endpoints instrumented by the Levo product. We'll be choosing a probable endpoint which might be prone to the BOLA type of vulnerability. We'll be selecting that particular endpoint and click on test and choose random traces option here. And in the next step, we'll be choosing the susceptible category, that is broken object level authorization. And we need to look at select target URL where the application is present, and clicking on run test will start a job and run that particular job in the background. While it may take couple of seconds to initiate the test, we'll look at already present such vulnerability of BOLA. So we have a couple of already found vulnerabilities in similar type of endpoints. Let's look at one of the test case. And here are the test cases for this particular endpoint that has run. We are interested in BOLA. So let's look at that particular test case. Here we can see in the log tab the type of request it made and how it found that is particular endpoint is vulnerable or not. So looking at the assert statements here, we can make sure first it try to reach the resource, and once it try to locate that resource, it try to test for the uh, possible scenario where the attacker could actually pose as a other user and get the same type of response. And looking at the response, attacker is also able to access the same type of resource with the same credentials. This is about the BOLA.